Coding Bus. This is Kanishk. In this video, we are going to learn about loops. In C, C++, Java, Python, there are only three types of loops, which are while, do while, and for loop. Okay, what is meant by loops? Loop name means if we want any statement to be print in repeated times. Means there is a statement called there's a name called Kanishka. I need to print my name 10 times. So for this we'll use loop. Okay, first of all we'll write code for while loop. Okay, for the first of all we have to use one integer int I equal to 1 for loop. Okay, while in while loop first of all we shall have to write a condition, means how many times the statement should be repeated. I need to print my name 10 times, so I will print I less than or equal to only 10 times if was a condition. So system dot println of Kanishk. After this we have to increment the value. Okay, what's going in here is first of all I is 1. Y will come 1 will come here a value 1 less than or equal to 10 true. It will enter into the loop and it will print this value, and also I will increment it by 2, and also it will go to the while condition once again 2 is less than or equal to 10, same as like print this Kanishka, and also incremented by 3, and 3 will enter again into the loop 3 less than or equal to 10, same as like 4 less than or equal to 10 5 6 7 8 9 10. After 10 it will print Kanish, and also I value become 11, and 11 will go to here 11 less than or equal to 10, which is false, therefore it comes out of the loop and remaining is printed. Okay, let's run the code now. Here it is. The 10 times my name was printed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's it for while loop. Okay, now do while loop. Do while. Let's comment this. Now do while loop. Do while loop is first of all we have to do loop. We have to give a statement system dot out of println of Kanish. I is already 1, so we'll give increment here I plus plus increment here. In do while we should have to write a condition at last by using while keyword. While of I should be less than or equal to 10, and also we must and should we have to use a semicolon here in do while. Okay, that's it. Let's run the code now. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's it. Same as like while loop, it was also giving 10 times. Okay, let's comment this, or we'll remove all. Let's remove all. Now for loop, which is more efficient, which is very easy way. For loop int I equal to 0, we can use integer at here. Int I equal to 0, I should be less than or equal to 10. I need my name should be printed as 10 times, and I plus plus increment operator. Here I will write my statement println of my name Kanish. That's it. First of all I will be 0, and it will enter this and it will print this. After this statement, if there is any parenthesis, means for loop parenthesis, means this flower bracket, then it will go to here I plus plus, then I will becomes 1, then I will becomes 2, same as like 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 times it was printed because I was given 0. We'll give 1. Let's print the output, and here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's it. That's it for this is for while loop and do while and for loop. This is same in C, C++, Java, Python, at anywhere. Okay guys, thank you.